Hey, good morning, everybody. It's been a while since I done a video for all of you. Just wanted to fill you in on a morning moment for me here on this beautiful Sunday morning. It snowed here in Edmonton not too long ago, so just trying to take advantage of this hibernation season, so to say. So I'm up early. I'm going to start doing some freelance work right now. I just wanted to emphasize how big this freelance economy is growing. In Canada, about 34% of the workforce are freelancers. In the United States, about 35% of people. There are opportunities in consulting, web design, writing, even nursing, and also human resources as well. So to get started, you have to have drive and passion to be able to deal with the ups and the downs, but most importantly, a team of friends and family who will